Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy nail tutorials like this, I'd love for you to comment and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. This series is about growing out and restoring my natural nails. My left hand has some builder in a bottle from the first video, so I'll link that here. And so you'll see a bit of it still on my natural nails. Nails are prepped and ready, and the link is already attached. Let's jump in with our Beetles Hemo-Free Dehydrator and Primer. Once that's applied, I'll add a base or foundation gel and fully cure it. Next, I'll do a thin, full coverage layer of builder in a bottle or rubber base if you prefer. Without curing, I will add a second bead to build structure and thickness for durability. And then we're going to use a detail brush to refine the edges and bring product closer to the cuticle while keeping it off of the skin. After the product self-levels, I will flash cure and then repeat on the remaining nails. Once the product self-levels, I will flash cure and then I will repeat the same process on the rest of the nails. And once the full hand is built, I'll do a final 60-second cure, remove the inhibition layer, and then move on to polish. We're gonna do two negative space nails. I'm gonna use my thumb and my ring finger and go ahead and use this Milky white polish. And then the remaining nails are going to be a reflective blue cat eye gel. Using the magnet, I'm going to guide the magnetic particles for a reflective pattern. This polish is more glittery than silky, so I'm going for a full nail reflection. Here I'm going to place a long asymmetrical blob of the same cat eye gel in the center and then move around the particles to my liking and then flash cure. And then jumping over to my thumb, let's paint individual petals using the magnet to make each reflective. Flash curing as I go to ensure the petals catch the light. Then we will be sure to apply a matte polish evenly across all of the nails and cure for 60 seconds. So now that that's done, this is where we're going to use our matte top coat and just make sure to coat everything and do a full cure, maybe even 120 seconds, just to make sure that product has no sticky residue on it afterwards, because we want it completely matte for foam isolation. I came across this liner, this clear, it's a top coat, but it has the liner brush attached on it on Amazon. So I'll link that in my description. It seems handy for situations like this where I want to just use finer detail brush, but this just saves a step. So it's already included. We're going to outline every petal and kind of flash cure for just a few seconds each time so that the product doesn't move, and then add a few more designs in some of the negative space just to fill out the whole nail and make it kind of cohesive. Once that's done, we're going to rub our chrome powder with a sponge applicator to give it that beautiful shine. We're going to dust everything off, and then I'm going to seal with my favorite top coat just to ensure that the chrome doesn't move while I'm finishing up the rest of my hand. For my ring finger, I'm going to use the Rhinestone glue because it's a bit thicker consistency, because I wanted to outline this blob, but I still wanted it to seem more 3D. So that's why I'm using the rhinestone glue to outline it. Doing a super quick flash cure so it doesn't move, and then taking that same clear top coat liner brush and just adding a few more tiny details around what I just did. Once that's flash cured, we're going to go ahead and rub our chrome all over once again. If you've enjoyed the video so far, you found it interesting, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. The support's always appreciated, and as always, please leave your comments or suggestions for future videos. For the remaining nails, I'm using clear top coat and adding small designs that I will flash cure and then cover with chrome powder. And then sealing everything with my favorite top coat. To finish, I'm using nail glue to place rhinestones for a little extra bling, curing them down, and that's it. That is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.